Everybody high. Aspirin's quiet power as an anti-aging ally comes from its ability to dial down the chronic smouldering inflammation that underlies artery plaque, type 2 diabetes, several cancers, and even some forms of dementia. Cardiologists now frame atherosclerosis not as clogged plumbing, but as a long-running immune skirmish inside the vessel wall. A daily low dose of aspirin, typically 75-100 mg, tamps that response, stabilizes plaque, and keep arteries functionally young, while its familiar antiplatelet action provides a bonus layer of heart attack and stroke protection. What makes this story even more appealing is that aspirin is no laboratory curiosity. Its core ingredient, salicylic acid, is the same plant defense molecule found in willow bark and in everyday flavorful foods such as berries, olives, tomatoes, mint, and many kitchen spices, paprika, thyme, curry powder, and so on. In effect, low-dose aspirin concentrates a polynutrient the human body has encountered for millennia, repackaging it in a controlled tablet. The chief caution is gastrointestinal bleeding, yet large cohort studies show most serious bleeds occur in people who unknowingly harbor gastric or colonic cancers, meaning the event often serves as an early alarm and prompts life-saving investigation rather than a random drug mishap. Work with your clinician to balance benefit and risk. Use food for stomach protection. Report any new abdominal pain, black stools, or easy brushing immediately, and resist the need for aspirin if blood pressure, alcohol use, or other medications change. Use thoroughly. This age-old plant-based compound remains one of the simplest, cheapest tools we have for calming the fires of inflammation and preserving cardiovascular health. Prove that sometimes longevity science is hiding in plain sight on the spice rack. Thanks for likes and sharing.